Hey guys, thanks for joining me tonight. I want to show you something fantastic. Check this out. So what do we have here, guys? We have a ratcheting tool set. Okay, check this out. I mean, really, look at that. Look at that. You've got the SAE standard, good old American, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 7/8, 7/16, 3/8, and 5/16. Then you got your metric side of the world. You got your 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on and so forth. But check this out. Vanadium chrome finish. Look at that. It's got a riveting head. Look at that. You can go 90 degrees, 45, whatever degree you want. There you go. Get into those tight, awkward spots. Okay, it's directional. It shows right here. See the arrow? It'll tell you which way that you need to go with this thing. And you want to reverse that? Hey, it's not hard. Flip it over. There you go. And you got your open-ended wrench on this end. Just an amazing, amazing product. So here you have it, guys. It has a pivoting head on one end, closed-in ratchet. Okay, very functional. It has a direction indicator on it, so you can't make a mistake on that. You say you want to go and you want to reverse it, boom, there you go. You're reversed. You're ready to go. Open in wrench right there, ready to go to work for you. Do what you need to do. Again, it's a 14-piece set. You got the metric side of the world, plus you've got the SAE standard, the American side of the world. All right, guys, here's one of the more practical applications of using your set out here. Okay, got the set in the yard, and I've always got a lawnmower ready to be worked on. So I've got just the tool. Remember the heads, how they swivel? Very nice, huh? Thanks for watching my video.